Hi children, today we will see for 6th class first chapter, that is the food we need. Here we see Kirtana and her brother Abhishek lives in a village. One day they went to an exhibition. There they saw food stalls and bought some of their favorite food items. Look at the following food items in the stall: rice, fish curry, bamboo chicken, ice cream, sprouts, kheer, vada, pottikallu, kiwi, potato sticks, ragi sangati, rose milk, jackfruit, gulab jamun, laddu, apples. Children, write the names of the above food items in the table given below. I like to eat, I don't like to eat, I have never eaten before, I have never seen before. I like to eat. What are the foods in this you like to eat? Maybe kheer, rice, ice cream, potato sticks, kiwi, jackfruit, laddu, etc. Children, in this what you don't like to eat? Tell me. Maybe ragi sangati or sprouts, etc. Isn't it? In this I have never eaten before. What foods are those? Maybe kiwi. Isn't it? Kiwi. Here we see never seen before foods. I have never seen before foods or pottikallu. Isn't it? In this Rayalaseema area they won't make this. But in East Godavari district, they make this steamed idli with the jackfruit leaves. Children, understood? Next we will see activity 2. What did you eat yesterday? Children, make a list. Ask your classmates what they ate yesterday and write it in the table below. That is name of the student, food eaten. Here example they have given. Kirtana, she ate dosa chutney yesterday. Students, likewise you prepare a table and you see the differences. Did all the students eat the same type of food? Are there any common food items in the above list? Prepare menu chart of the food served for a week during the midday meal in your school. Midday meals, you know it, isn't it? So we take different types of food every day, but some food items like rice, dal, vegetables are common. On special occasions, we eat a variety of food items. What are the food items made of? Before knowing about the food items, first we see about the World Food Day. Here it is written, do you know, in this column. World Food Day is celebrated every year across the world on 16th October. It is an annual celebration in the honor of the founding date of the FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization, launched by the United Nations in the year 1945. The aim of celebration of this day is to promote worldwide awareness and action for those who suffer from hunger and for the need to ensure food security and nutritious diets for all. World Food Day adopts a different theme each year. Children, this is the international organization. It is for food security and providing nutrition for all the community and preventing the food deficiencies in the community. Children, it is a purely international organization for food security and giving awareness to the people about food deficiency disorders and how to treat those disorders with the food and importance of food. You know, many are dying with hunger till today, isn't it? Example, in African countries, what are the poor countries there? Somalia, Uganda. So example, these countries are suffering with hunger, isn't it? Children, third activity we see, that is about food ingredients. Sasi wanted to eat something special on Sunday. He asked his mother to make pulihora. He wanted to know what materials are required to make pulihora. He asked his mother to list out the materials required to make pulihora. Here is the list: rice, oil, salt, tamarind, chilies, turmeric, asafoetida, etc. You know what are those? Isn't it? Tamarind, చింతపండు, chilies, మిరపకాయలు, turmeric, పసుపు, asafoetida, ఇంగువ. In Telugu they say ఇంగువ. Sasi was surprised to know that to cook boiled rice we need only two materials, raw rice and water. Do you observe any time, children? For cooking rice we need only raw rice and water, but to make pulihora we need many other things. To prepare different kinds of food items we need different materials, isn't it? The materials that are required to prepare food are known as ingredient. It is very important, children. You observe here, the materials that are required to prepare food are known as ingredients. The materials we are using for making the food, that is called ingredients. Understood? Next, table 3 we see here ingredients of some food items. Food items and required ingredients. Like suppose pappukura. For pappukura what are the ingredients are required? Or to make biryani what are the food ingredients are required? That we can write it here. When you buy packed food like biscuits, cool drink, etc., you will find their ingredients written on the wrappers. Are you observed, children? Yes? Do you know, according to the UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program, up to 40% of the food produced in India is wasted. According to FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization, estimates in the states of food security and nutrition in the world 2018 report 195.9 million people are undernourished in India. This shows the importance of food. Children, next we come to the topic sources of food materials. Those are ingredients. Have you ever thought, where do we get these ingredients from? We get them from plants, animals and other sources. Children, here we see ingredients from plants. Those are vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses, etc. Ingredients from animals. Those are eggs, milk, meat, etc. Ingredients from other sources. That is salt. Is there any other source you can think of? Yes? Some food items and its ingredients have been listed below. Write the source of each ingredient in table 4. Here, ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. Here written food item, ingredients and sources. Sources means here you should write whether it is come from plant or animal or any other sources. Here example, they have written here number 1 cooked rice, that is ingredients for this raw rice and water. Sources are plant. Next number 2 payasam. These ingredients are vermicelli, that is semia, dry fruits, sugar, milk. Here sources you should write. So vermicelli, where does it come from? It comes from maida, isn't it? Next dry fruits, plant resources. Sugar, sugarcane, that is also plant resource. Next milk, where does it come from? Animal, isn't it? So here you should write animal. Next third one chutney. Chutney is, for this we require groundnut or coconut and oil. So these are plant resources. Here you should write plant resources. Try to increase this list by adding more food items as much as you can in the above table. Children, you can write some of the examples, isn't it? Like biryani, and what are the ingredients are required for that, and what are the sources it come from. So like that you can write some examples. Next we come to the topic. You know that we get milk from the cow and buffalo, mutton from the goat and sheep, chicken from hens, pork from pig, and eggs from birds. We get butter, cheese, ghee, and curd from milk. Honey is also a good ingredient obtained from honeycomb. It is clear that we get a variety of food ingredients from animal sources. Can you elaborate this list, children? Yes? Yes, we can get many sources from animal sources, isn't it? So, what we eat on Sunday, meat or eggs, those are from animals. Next, similarly, different parts of the plants like leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. serve as a very useful ingredients to make our food. Stems like sugarcane, onion, garlic, turmeric, ginger, etc. are also used in the preparation of food. Although leaves, roots, seeds, and fruits of the plants are widely used in the preparation of food, stems and flowers are also used. Thus, we use various parts of plants as our food. Children, understood? So, how plants are useful? Suppose you take coconut. Coconut is very useful from top to bottom. If you take the leaves, we can use it for the many other purposes, and coconut for eating purpose, and stem is for house purpose, and other things of the coconut also very useful in one or other way. Next we come to the topic, that is salt is an important ingredient that we get from the sea. Children, where does we get salt? From the sea. Can you identify which part of the plants in table 5 is edible? You can also discuss with your friends and write the names of the edible parts of the plant in the table given in the next page. Here it is written, that is name of the plant, parts that we eat. Number 1, mango, fruit we eat, isn't it? Mint, that is pudina leaves. Leaf part we eat. Sugarcane, that is stem part we can eat. We are making sugarcane out of it. We are making sugar. Potato, that is root part. Onions, roots. Cauliflower, flower. Next we see groundnut, that is some sort of food preserved in the root, that is called tubers, isn't it? So groundnut also that kind of thing. Next tomato, that is the fruit of the tree. Rice, that is also it's a fruit. Next green gram, that is also. Next fruit, isn't it? Cabbage also flower. Apple, this is fruit, isn't it? Okay. Next, which parts of the plants do we generally eat? Do we also use flowers as food? Yes, children? Yes, in some cases we use flowers also as a food. Suppose saffron. Saffron is the flower we use for as a food. Like a spices we can use it. We need several ingredients to cook different types of food. Whatever may be the source of ingredients like plants, animals and water. We take some of them in large quantities whereas the others in small quantity. Why is it so? We eat a variety of food items every day. Do we prepare them in the same way? Children, what are the different methods of preparation of food? So all these preparations we will see it in the next class, that means next part. Keep watching it. Please subscribe and like and share it. Thank you for watching it. We'll see you in next class.